investors wonder how long should they wait before switching from a underperforming SIP. Industry expert Mr. Ramalingam will explain this to you now.
I would suggest if a fund is underperforming for 3 years, then there is a clear signal like something is wrong with that fund. It's a time to come out of that fund, right? If a fund is like underperforming for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, then you have to sit with your mutual fund distributor and you have to sit with your financial planner and understand what is really happening, right? Uh, a fund may be underperforming, a fund may be undervalued. What is the difference is something we have to understand, right? A fund has wrong stocks, so it may not perform. That is underperformance. A fund has good stocks, but those stocks are undervalued at this point in time. Value of those stocks are not unlocked by the market at this point in time. The value is yet to be unlocked. Then the fund is available at undervaluation. Right? When a fund is undervalued and showing underperformance, you can hold those funds. If a fund is not undervalued but having wrong stocks and underperforming, then definitely you have to quit that fund. That is why doing proper review really helps, right? You have to do review, time bound review, once in 6 months a review. Also, when your requirement changes, you have got more income, less in more expenses, you are making changes in your goals, you have to do your review. So regular review is more important for weeding your portfolio, like removing weeds in your portfolio and adding more schemes which are really performing and giving you good harvest.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.